drop top C3 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Last year of a vet with any sort of chrome bumper on it. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible. Numbers matching engine and trans. 350 paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, and yes, an original 952 paint code. So this would be originally a bright yellow car. Corvette experts out there, the bright yellow 952 paint code, was that a 1 year in 73? I know they had other year of yellow vets, but how about for that paint code? This vehicle is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. Number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Over 100 plus pictures of this car online. You can see the rally wheels, center caps, beauty rings, Cooper Cobra radials. And paint shows well on it. You will find a few spots. There's one there. There's maybe one up here where there's been a little bit of touch up. But overall, paint has a nice shine to it. It's definitely a car that's going to turn some heads. Black vinyl interior, 400 would be the trim code on this. So this car looking very much the way it would have been back in 1973 when it rolled off the Chevy dealer's showroom floor. White convertible top, of course manual on a C3, very simple for one person to put up and down. White vinyl. And we're going to put that up at the end so you can get a good look at it. I do want to mention real quick, there's some things that are going to go with this. There's actually a brand new white vinyl top that has not been installed. Weather stripping. Some original literature. And as you can see, repair manual. Just some miscellaneous stuff. But so you do get that new top with it. When I put this top up that's on it, I think it would function just fine. We'll take a look at that here at the end of the video. Chrome bumpers on the rear, as you can see. Chrome in nice shape. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. And don't forget, we have an open door policy, third-party inspectors. If you can't make it to look at this one yourself, you want somebody else to look at it, not a problem. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the still pictures that are taken. There'll be a driving video at the end of this here so you can see what it's like. Kind of bird's eye view going down the road with it. Try to do the walk around here so you can get a good look at it, learn a little about the car. So try to represent them as fairly as we can. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the stamps where you can see that this is a numbers matching engine and trans. Well, aftermarket stereo speakers have been put in the door. There'll be a picture of your cowl tag or data tag, I guess, if you will. In the still pictures, seats, very nice shape. Power window car, power windows do work, those up and down. We're going to put them up with the convertible top here at the end also, so you can see them when they're up. Center console, 4-speed. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See how this one sounds. Working. I noticed this earlier too. Clock's working. That's a fasten seatbelt lights. I don't have my seatbelts on. Fuel gauge working. That was a cold start. Battery gauge and oil pressure. Looks like the whole cluster is working. I crazy over the top, but nice rumble coming out of the dual exhaust. Take a look at the still pictures to be able to see the underside of it. Let's see here. Let's get this hood open. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Alright, got the latch and everything. Alright. Underside of the hood, hood liner. Looks like a new one. There it is. It's that original 350 that would have came with this car. Power steering, power brakes. You can see and hear how smooth running. Here's the pad where you're going to be able to see the stamp with the VIN actually on there, the partial VIN. The way it should be. Also has headers. You see down there, so let's put headers on it. Might explain why the car sounds so good too. Alright, so that's the engine bay. Let's get this hood buttoned up when I turn it off. I'll put the windows up, convertible top up. Let's check it out that way. And remember, it'll be that little quick driving video at the end. You want to see what it's like to ride along in this car. And here it is with the top up. So white vinyl top. Nice fit above the windshield. And remember, it does have that new top that comes with it. It's just not installed. Personally, other than the fact that this one's just, I mean, it's white, so it's discolored in a few areas a little bit. And maybe the back windshield doesn't look brand new, but you can still see through it fine. There's no rips, tears, holes. I wouldn't be afraid to drive it with the one that's on it either. If you need it to keep you out of a pop-up shower or maybe the sun off your back, it's gonna work just fine. There was a little bit of wear right here, but again, it's not really gonna hurt the function of it. See the side glass? Doesn't fit bad at all for an older convertible. Up above the windshield, good. But either way, if you wanted to put the new one on, you could. It's gonna come with it. Or run it with the one that you see on it right here. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online on our website. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible, numbers matching, tranny and engine. Give us a call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette in a nice yellow paint scheme with black interior. This is a convertible and we do have the top down today. This is a 4-speed on the center console. Our turn signal indicators are working. Very nice running Corvette, good acceleration. We're doing 55 miles an hour and the tachometer is approximately 2,500 RPM. Our oil pressure is almost 40 on the gauge. Fuel is showing above half. Water temperature about 190. And the battery is charging above halfway point on the gauge. JVC stereo in the dash is working. Our wipers function on this car, as does the blower motor. There is a little vibration from one of the tires that could just be from sitting. They are in storage quite a bit. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Brakes are working well. It corners nicely, as every Corvette should. Nice rumble from that exhaust. smooth running car. Started right up and idled great right away. Has a great feel on the road. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about this Corvette. A unique